Good morning, class family. It's a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date, November 15th. 2024. Dear class family, today is Friday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds and fast words. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will blend phonemes. After that, we will read a text and answer questions. Last, we will draw and write. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the month is spelled with the capital letter N-O-V, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said November, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter N to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's reread from top to bottom and left to right. November 15th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Friday. It is Friday, and it's a fantastic Friday. Notice the capital letter T that starts the sentence and the period at the end. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. We're going to go ahead now and review the punctuation marks you're going to be seeing within our message and question for the day. All right, say the name and skywrite with me. Period at the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of exciting sentences. Question mark at the end of question sentences, just like our question of the day. And comma. You will see commas within the message. All right, and good writers use punctuation marks when writing. Okay, look at this sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know we do that every single day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And in kindergarten, every day we're working on being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening, their mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and their body is still in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family, at this time, we're going to go ahead and discuss the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, the sequence is the order of events from beginning to end. Review these transitional words and phrases with me. Are you ready, readers? First, next, then, after that, last. You will see these transitional words and phrases within our message. First, we will learn letter sounds and fast words. We will, and we're going to use so many resources. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your resources the most today in kindergarten, starting with our alphabet chart. We're going to review letter sounds, pictures to match that letter, and American Sign Language. We're also going to be working on fast words. We're going to do sight word dance, and we're going to get to see different sight words on the screen and say them out loud and practice moving our bodies and pumping our brains with knowledge at the same time. Okay? All right, next we will do literacy centers. And we're going to have teachers come into the room. We have small groups to do. We have Lexia Core 5 reading program. We're going to look at books. We have different things to pump our brains with knowledge and different centers. So make sure when your name is called that you listen the first time and go to the location and that teacher who is calling your name and make great choices while we do literacy centers. Oh, and remember, throughout the whole day, including literacy centers and starting at the start of your day, remember, we're always using the 5 pre-writing strokes. That's what good writers use. They use them when writing letters, drawing pictures, and writing numbers. Review them with me, kindergartners. Are you ready? Okay, we have up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. Remember to hold your pencil with your index finger, middle finger, and thumb, and use the 5 pre-writing strokes. Then we will blend phonemes. Oh, yes, we will. Dun, 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 dun. Phonemical. We're just tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. We're going to pump our brains with knowledge. We're going to look at a bunch of CVC words, including words that start with the letter N, like and end with N. After that, we will read a text. We're going to read a text and answer questions. We'll do the 6 question song. Shout out to Jack Hartman. Remember, we have who, what, when, where, how, and why. And so we're going to go ahead and go through and remember that good readers use questions and they ask and answer questions and share their thinking and practice being a great listener and communicator as well as collaborator with each other as they are talking about a text. And we're going to practice doing that today in kindergarten. Last, we will draw and write. We'll be doing that in our Unit 2 magazine. And we have a very special day today, so we know there's going to be special time outside for the walkathon. And we have some wonderful outdoor activities. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. It is. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is, do you like question? Do you like squirrels? Well, do you? I know we've been learning about squirrels in science. Think about your answer. Do you like squirrels?